hold up. You're me from the future, aren't you? You always were. A quick one. What are you even doing here? I'm here because your coworker will not come back from lunch for another 5 hours, and John needs someone to do what's in the shop. Okay, are you with me? I'm with you, but this better be good. What's up, guys? Future Isaiah here with Blackout Tinting, and today is Wednesday. You know what that means? What's in the shop? Let's go check it out. Alrighty, so first up, Jimmy here is doing a chrome delete. Typically, we don't do these too often. It is a lot of time, a lot of tedious effort involved, and a lot of wasted material, but he's doing a great job on this Grand Wagoneer, and this is a beautiful vehicle. Just check out the interior here. All kind of screens on top of the headliner. There's even what they call, I think it's called a fam cam or something like that, to where the people driving in the front can see what's going on in the rear section, so better behave yourself. Got ourselves a F350 here, and you know what that means? Well, if you don't, most of the time it's our friend Ed Barbish bringing us another truck, just here for a general cleanup and looking great, ready to go. Max here is taking off the badge of this Tesla Model 3. We're in the prep work of getting this fully wrapped in our Expel paint protection film, 10 mil I believe, right Aaron? 10 mil wrapped, the best protection you can get on the market, protecting you against rock chips, scratches, other basic preventable damages, and I like the joke PennDOT too. Here we got another Tesla. This one's a Model S. It's here for paint protection film as well as a coating. We'll be doing the full front clip, which will take care of this frunk, full front fenders, front bumper, side view mirrors, and this customer also elected to do the rear bumper as well. After that's done, we're going to be doing our Fusion Plus coating to it. Beautiful 21Q7 here. We actually did paint protection film to this couple months ago. They got into a little accident on the front bumper, so the paint protection film needed replaced, and they actually decided that because the paint protection film does such a great job, they wanted to continue taking care of their vehicle. So we're in the process of polishing the rest of it that's not covered, and we're going to be doing our ceramic coating to it as well. Tint is busy as always. Here we have a 2010 Grand Caravan. What we are doing, we're tinted just the front driver and passenger doors to match the rear section in our Prime XR line of tint. It's going to not only look great, give that uniform look, but it's going to block and reject just about 88% of the heat that you feel that would normally come through your glass. Beautiful E-Series Mercedes here. Kevin's just doing final touch-ups here for our tint. Just about ready to go. Our good friend Jason from TriStar Chevrolet over in Blairsville has brought us this beautiful 2022 Camaro convertible. It's a 2SS as well. Very powerful car, but it's here for tint. We'll be doing our Prime XR line at 20%. It's going to be getting tinted pretty soon, and it'll be looking great. 99 Honda Accord. Don't see these too often, but it dropped off early. We're going to tint it on Thursday in our Prime CS line. And, once that's done, it'll be ready to go home. It's a shame that there's still crime in this timeline, but in the future we do things better. I'll pray for you. So obviously we're not here at the LATROBE shop, the main shop. We're at our emergency shop, and Steve is going to show us just what we got going on here.
All right, I'm Steve Walters at the emergency division. We'll show you what we got in the shop today. So right now we have two new police interceptors that are getting 6 lights on the sides and the back of the vehicle. As you can see here at the license plate, we have 2 right on the sides of it. We're gonna have 2 that are right back here. It's a little hard to see through the tint, but there's one here and one here. And also on the other side of the vehicle, we have a light on both sides right there. That'll give them nice visibility from the back so people will know who they are and what they're there for. So these 2 interceptors are actually going to be for a local school district, and they have 1 more coming on the way. So this is just a quick update here at the emergency division. We'll have you a full update in a couple weeks.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for here in LATROBE. John, does Luke still work in Gibsonia in this timeline? Okay, Luke, what do you got for us?
What's up, guys? It is Wednesday, so let's check out what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have a 2020 ZL1 Camaro. This was in about 2 weeks ago for a full body PPF wrap and a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. It's back in today for its 2-week wash and PPF checkup. It's also going to be getting some PDR on the back quarter panel here, so you can catch it in the light right about there. So we have Anthony here from Galaxy Dent Repair to take care of that. After that's done, she's ready to hit the road. In the showroom, we have a 2021 Audi Q8. This is a completed job. This got 2 things. It got the 2 front doors in our XR 20% to match the back factory tint, along with a full paint correction and an Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up for tint, we have a 1955 Bel Air. This is a fully hand-cut vehicle, and it's going to be getting the 2 front and the front wing windows in our XR 35%, along with the back doors, the back quarter windows, and the back windshield in XR 20%. Here is another completed ceramic coating. We have a 2020 Nissan Armada. This was in for a full paint correction and a Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Here we have a 2005 Ferrari F430. This is in for a full body paint correction along with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the back of the shop, we have this 2022 C8 Corvette. This just got back to the customer from Detroit. It got a Concept 8 wide body kit. So we did a ton of custom cut pieces on the front splitter here, along with on both of the side skirts. All in all, it got PPF on those pieces, along with the full hood, 2 front fenders, the fender flares, the front bumper, and the A-pillars in the roof piece. After that's complete, we're going to be doing an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on all the PPF, along with the rest of the vehicle. Up on the lift, we have Steve doing some PPF on this GLS Mercedes. This is getting PPF on the full front bumper, the full hood, the 2 mirrors, along with the A-pillar and the partial roof. After that is complete, we'll be moving over to Mark's Bay to do the Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Next up for a full body PPF wrap is this Chevy Camaro 2022. It's going to be getting all of the exterior gray pieces wrapped in XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Once that is complete, we'll be coating the entire vehicle in our Fusion Plus ceramic coating on top of the PPF, on the glass, wheels, calipers, and the plastic accent pieces. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday, so let's see what we have going on in the shop this week. All right, so back here we got 2 very fun projects going on right now. Felipe is back. He is back to working his madness. This is a 2008 Lamborghini Murcielago, and it is getting a full XPEL Ultimate Plus 10 mil wrap. You can see on some areas like this, XPEL does not have kits for it, so we do a full bulk installation and a custom piece. Same with up here as well. After this car is done getting fully wrapped, it is getting a XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating, as well as a interior coating. So this car is gonna look really, really good. I believe that the color of this Lamborghini is Verde Ithaca. So it's a very beautiful lime green. Has a little bit of metallic flake in it, depending on what light you catch it in. But it's a beautiful car. We're also taking the old paint protection film off of these little pieces up here and the mirrors as well. We'll redo those, of course. And over here is a Gen 3 Raptor. This one was in for our track package. So we did the full front clip package, which is the full hood, full front fenders, headlights, the bumper piece here that goes around, and the front bumper, as well as these front flares, the mirrors. And then we also did the rocker panels on this as well to give the added protection down there, because this truck does have some pretty large tires with pretty big grooves in there, so we don't want any of those stones to chip up this beautiful colored red truck. So that's all that we have going on this week at the Miami location. Don't forget to like our videos, comment, and subscribe, and tell us that we're doing a good job. We try and do our best to get some good videos out for you guys, and try and keep you updated with all these cool cars for some good content. So let us know how we're doing.